keys hit the light in the bay. Soap suds shimmering like the start of race day. Tires glistening, chrome got that flash. Engine humming like it's ready to clash. Phone cannon loaded, pressure on blast. Watch the grime slide off like shadows from the past. Clay bar dreams, microfiber shine. I don't clean a car, I treat it like it's mine. From soap to smoke, we ride the line. Polished steel, she looks so fine. Cruising slow, then light it up. From back road chillin' and run it up. This ain't just speed, it's soul and style. I detail love into every mile. From garage to strip, that's how I cope. Life's more than years, it's soap to smoke. Back it out slow, sunsets gold. Leather seats smelling brand new, bold. Gas station glow, meet up at the lot. Paint so slick, you think it's hot. We cruise through town, no need to boast. But heads turn twice when they see my ghost. Midnight rolls in and the street lights gleam. That fresh wax job still part of the dream. Some chase trophies, some chase fame, but I just want that feeling when they say my name. Rinse the past off, shine the pain. In that rearview mirror I see my lane. Oh, from soap to smoke we ride the line. Polished steel, she looks so fine. Cruising slow, then light it up. From back roads chillin' and run it up. This ain't just speed, it's soul and style. I detail love into every mile. From garage to strip, that's how I cope. Life's more than years, it's soap to smoke. So when I'm gone, just know